Fuck you.
County in southeastern West Virginia, East Central Boone County in central West Virginia, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Well,
At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Boone, or 13 miles east of Madison, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, southeastern West Virginia, locations of tactics include Cedar Grove, East Bend, West Lake, Lee Road, this includes West Virginia at 15 miles north of 65 and 82. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central West Virginia, Boone County in central West Virginia, severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Burnwell, 13 miles east of Madison, northeast at 15 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location, Cedar Grove, East Bank, Glasgow, Burnwell, Allentown, Whiteville, Sylvester, Leewood, Ross, Shaw, and Evansville. This includes West Virginia turns west to 2-mile mark for 65 and 82. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Julia, or 10 miles northwest of Madison, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles as expected. Locations that happen include Elm Creek, Sod, and Woodville. This includes Route 118 between mile markers 59 and 70.
I didn't cry.
See, what's the natural practices? Some people just.
Well, fuck.